Yeah, so Rosy Cheeks is our first barbecue rub. It is a maple bourbon barbecue blend. It really is so versatile, you can use it on just about everything. We love to make our own barbecue sauce with this.
And barbecue baked beans, which is really yummy.
We were setting out to make the best barbecue rub out there with super clean ingredients, and we just found that the flavor in this surpassed all of our competition, but yet real, healthy, organic ingredients that you can feel good about feeding your family.
So the ingredients in Rosy Cheeks are paprika, light brown sugar, cane juice, dried maple syrup, cherry wood smoked sea salt, onion, Himalayan pink salt, cracked black pepper, garlic, chipotle pepper, mesquite, organic flavor, cumin, turmeric, and lemon zest.
People love to grill, love to barbecue, and so, you know, in general, barbecue seasoning is a top seller, and really we wanted to find a way to make one of the cleanest, healthiest barbecue rubs out there, and I believe that that's how we've done it with our first product here. So let's talk about the health of barbecue rub, right? Most barbecue rubs are laden with MSG, and that's actually why they taste so great, is because MSG, the moment it hits your tongue, it's a chemical reaction that says, this is amazing, eat more. And as a result, we wind up overeating our barbecue, which isn't that healthy to begin with. So without the MSG, it's just real organic ingredients, and therefore you're not overeating. So that alone, it makes it one of healthy attributes.